In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Notion desktop app not loading step by step using a simple method directly inside Notion itself. If your Notion desktop app is stuck on loading, freezing on startup, or not opening properly, this guide will walk you through a practical workaround that helps reset and restore functionality. This method works for Windows and Mac users and doesn't require reinstalling the app. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful, because I regularly upload simple software fixes and productivity tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion, even if it's partially loading or slow. Once you're in, go to the left sidebar and click on New Page. This creates a fresh workspace page, which helps rule out corrupted or overloaded existing pages that may be causing the desktop app to struggle. After clicking New Page, look at the bottom of the page creation screen and click on Templates. Templates allow you to load a clean, pre-built structure, which is useful when troubleshooting performance or loading issues in Notion. Once the template gallery opens, use the Search or Browse section and click on Teaching OS. This is a lightweight and organized template that works well for testing whether Notion is able to load structured content correctly. When you open the Teaching OS template, click on Add to add it to your workspace. This action forces Notion to sync fresh content from its servers, which can resolve loading issues caused by stalled sync processes in the desktop app. After adding the template, click into the page title area and type in Teaching OS and Fix Notion Desktop, so you can easily identify this troubleshooting page later. Naming the page clearly helps keep your workspace organized and prevents confusion if you need to repeat this fix in the future. Next, inside the Teaching OS template, click on Lesson Planning for Private Class. This opens a database view and helps confirm that database components are loading properly in the desktop app. If this section opens without freezing, that's a good sign that Notion's core features are functioning again. From here, locate the status field and click on it. Then select Not Started. Changing status values forces Notion to update and refresh the database, which can clear minor glitches that affect loading and responsiveness. After that, click on Map. This switches the view and again helps refresh how Notion renders content inside the desktop app. Finally, click on Calendar to switch to the calendar view. If the calendar loads successfully, it means Notion is handling complex views correctly, and your desktop app should now be stable and fully functional. At this point, you can close and reopen the Notion desktop app to confirm that it loads normally without getting stuck. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Notion desktop app not loading using a simple in-app method without reinstalling anything. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.